Good morning, guys. So this week we have a Porsche Carrera 4. It's a 992 shape. It's absolutely beautiful. Long-standing customer as well. Very, very nice gentleman. We're going to be completing a lot of work to this Porsche. We are doing a full black pack. So all the grey texture on the car is going high gloss black. Now it is textured, so it needs high build priming as well. It's a big process that we're going to explain to you guys and show you throughout. Now we're also changing the sill covers to the sports design sill covers. We're also changing the exhaust system to the sports exhaust, which results in the center bumper needing to be changed as well, as the tip shapes are different. We're also going to be taking all 4 brake calipers off the car, repainting in a lovely yellow color, applying the decals back on. Once that is done, it actually needs to go down to Porsche. Porsche have the exhaust, they're doing that, to then recode it, to bring it back, and then it's going to TBC detailing for a full paintwork enhancement G-Technic package to make this car look absolutely awesome. Now I've ran on so much, so let's get into the video. You don't want to hear me anymore, let's go. Can you tap on my face and press play?
Which gin do you want in it?
Play, the red button, it's playing.
Yeah.
So guys, we are now in the prep shop. Drew has now applied the primer on, and we're now going back out the booth, now going to start rubbing them down. Now all these trims have a very slight texture to them, so if we don't put a high build primer on, rub them down and repaint them, it's going to look very peely. So that's why we put the high build primer on, rub that down, so when we put the gloss black on, it's going to be super flat and look like a metal body panel. So yeah, over to Drew to get this all rubbed down. So guys, as you can see, we're now in the strip and fits. So guys, as you can see, just turn the camera around, just look at that. Look at this guy. It's impossible to do a video here. But anyway guys, as you can see, we're now in the build up stage. Everything's gone smoothly. Marty is now piecing the vehicle back together. Piecing the vehicle, he's gone. Marty's now piecing the vehicle back together. It's looking awesome. I hope you can hear me. Keep watching. Let's go to the next one. So guys, as you're seeing, the Porsche is now built up. There's a few things I need to add to this video. which you're probably going to be picking up on. Now, we haven't fitted the exhaust system yet. We've actually changed the exhaust system to the sports exhaust, obviously genuine Porsche. Thank you, Porsche Norwich. Now that has changed the shape of the tips, so we've had to obviously change the center bumper as well. Again, new part from Porsche. Now, Porsche have that exhaust. It's actually going to be going down to Porsche anyway, so they're going to be putting the exhaust system on and then coding the exhaust to the car, because obviously there's a lot of things that needs to be done on these modern day cars. It's not just bolt it on and you're all good. There's a lot of coding to do. So that's going down there for that. It's then coming back to the body center and it's then going straight into TBC detailing, where the car is then having a paintwork enhancement and a G-Technic ceramic coat applied to the whole exterior of the car, the face of the wheels, and interior protection as well. So yeah, as soon as it's back, straight up to TBC detailing. Let's go. So guys, I'm in the main reception of TBC Detailing. This is my Uncle Paul's department. He manages the valeting side, so all the cars from the body centre, they all get cleaned in this front half of the unit. And in the back half, where we've just been with the Porsche, that's where the real detailing is, the real in-depth premium packages that we produce. So, as you've seen, the Porsche is looking absolutely insane. I've actually done kind of a collaboration video here on the Porsche. The car initially come in for the calipers to be done, which you've seen. The car then come back for the full black pack of all the grey texture gone to gloss black on the car. Now, with them having a texture, we do have to rub them down, high build prime them, rub the primer down, repainting and a high gloss back, so it really has a lovely flat finish to match up with the actual body panels. So that's looking good. We fitted the sports design sills. It's had the sports design exhaust fitted, and then been recalibrated at Porsche Norwich, who we are doing a lot of work for at the minute. So thank you to Porsche Norwich. And yeah, and it's now back here now having its G-Technic ceramic coating. So yeah, Giles has done an absolutely unbelievable job on that. We've done a 2-stage cut on it. Wasn't horrendous, to be fair. And then yeah, reapplied the G-Technic to the whole exterior, and it looks insane. Customer's going to be over the moon. And I did have a phone call off the customer who owns this Porsche the other day, and he's just placed his order for his Ferrari Roma. So I'm sure we're going to be seeing that. So thanks you guys for watching. Please hit that bell button so any new videos we have coming out you see first. And hit the like button, comment, subscribe. You know what to do, guys. But yeah, let's crack on with the video and show you more of this car. So guys, we're now come to the end of the Porsche video. Doesn't it look absolutely brilliant? The black back has completely transformed this car. I'm a huge fan of the 992. Now with this black back on, like I say, it's brilliant. Sounds great. The exhaust system looks brilliant. Porsche Norris done a great job down there getting that fitted on for us and coding it in. The sill covers completely transformed the look of the side as well, and the team have done a breathtaking job on the enhancement and the coating at TBC Detailing, so thank you for that, guys. And obviously all our team down at the body centre as well. Smash this one out the park. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like our page, share our videos, comment, hit that subscribe button. Would really appreciate that, guys. Let's get on to the next video. See you guys next time.